Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of fare quote. In this video, we will learn about some modifiers which you can use with fare quote entries. So the first command here is FQC and then airline quote. By using this command, you may specify the desired plating carrier to quote the fare of an itinerary or segment. The airline which you are specifying in this command and airline which is present in your itinerary must be having an agreement between them to show the fare, otherwise you won't get the fare. For example, here I have an itinerary of Air France and I want to check fare of this itinerary on Delta Airlines plating. Then I will write FQC and then code of Delta Airlines. And because they share an agreement, we got the fare and we may also issue ticket on Delta's plating. Another command is FQ/ACC. This command can be used to get the fare of a child if system does not quote the child fare automatically for a child passenger. Another command is FQ: and then currency quote. By using this command, you can quote an itinerary and show the fare details in specified currency code at the bank rate. For example, if I want to see the fare of this itinerary in USD, then I will write FQ: and then USD. And here you may see the fare details in US dollars. One more command we are going to learn here is FQBB PE00 command, which shows you the fare without penalty for an itinerary. So here you may see system is asking us to rebook this itinerary in this combination, which is a fare without penalty. Please note one thing here, that these three commands which we have just learned, it is possible to use FQBB here even with class modifiers instead of FQ only. Now, it is also possible to specify passengers or segments with fare quote entries. Let's say in this itinerary you want to see the fare for passenger 2 only. So along with the fare quote entry, you will write slash and then P2 to specify passenger number 2. Same way, if you want to see fare for all passengers but for selected segments like 1 to 2 or 1 and 4, then you will write FQ/S1-2 and FQ/S1.4. Here this hyphen represents 2, like segment 1 to segment 2, and this dot represents AND, like segment 1 and 4. You can also specify passenger and segments in a single entry. Just after the fare quote entry, type slash and then specify passenger, let's say passenger 3, then slash S and then specify the segment number, let's say 1 and 4. So here you may see the fare for passenger 3 for segment 1 and 4. Although we cannot save this fare because it's outside marriage, so if you want to save this fare, then you will have to separate this passenger, or you will have to cancel segment 2 and 3 from this booking file. Apart from this, there are multiple commands related to fare quote which you can check by typing h/fq. Here h means help, and it will help you with all the possible entries of fare code. Now, one more thing which we are going to learn in this video is filed fare and how to delete an unticketed filed fare. So once you save the fare using any fare code entry, then details of that fare stored in your PNR are called filed fare. You may type *FF or click here on *FF to see the stored filed fare in a PNR. A PNR can contain multiple filed fares. Now, to see further details, click here on FQ1 or type *FF1 in your terminal and then press enter. 1 here is filed fare number. So as you can see here, this is the passenger type code, which is adult. Then this G shows you the status of this filed fare, which is guaranteed and auto-priced by Galileo. Then we have this date, which represents that this filed fare is valid for ticketing till this date, and then we have total cost of this ticket. Further, this is the fare construction line. Then this is the base fare amount. After this we have tax details, and again this is the total cost of ticket. Here you may see the fare basis, and this is the baggage allowance. This line shows that this filed fare is saved for passenger 1 for segment 1 to 4 on the plating carrier of Air France, and this is the PCC, which is 5PC1. Now, to delete a filed fare, you may type FX and then the filed fare number, which is 1 in our case. If there are multiple filed fares in your PNR and you want to delete all of them, then type FX all and then press enter. So here you may see specified filed fares cancelled. Now sign and press ER to save your changes. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please don't forget to like and share this video, and for more learning videos like this, please subscribe our YouTube channel.